I'm doing a review talking about these floor mats that Oedro sent out to me. These are gonna be for the Durango, I believe 2011 all the way up to 2020 it fits. And this one is going to be for the front and second row. These are pretty much like WeatherTech, except these are, in my opinion, a bit better quality, and also the price is very, like, way better than the other brands. So y'all make sure to go check them out. Let me take them out and show you how they come. I just took them out of the box, and I'm pretty sure that one is for the driver's side, passenger side, and then the middle row. Let me install them and show y'all how the fitment is, and we'll go from there. Y'all can see carpet's a bit dirty, but for the same reason that I don't have floor mats, so these are gonna come in handy, and pretty sure it's gonna keep the truck a bit cleaner. It comes with these clips, and the floor mats also come with those clips, and that's so they won't be like moving around. As y'all can see, I mean, it's really good. It covers the whole, pretty much that whole area where your feet is gonna be if you got dirt on your shoes or whatever, you know, grass, whatever. So that's how the fitment is on the driver's side. Let me install the driver's side. Is pretty much the same thing. What you gotta do is just slide it in there. Same as the other side, it has those clips. Make sure they're clipped in. Very nice quality, and also this little detail right here, which is their the name of the company, their brand. I mean, very nice. It's like steel. They fit perfect. Let me show you all the rear. That's how the rear looks once it's installed. Very good coverage. I mean, it covers everything pretty much. You got kids back here, you don't have to worry about them dropping milk or cookies or anything, because you know, these are super easy to clean or wash them, whatever. As you can see, the fitment is perfect. Let me show you the front again. Like I said, these were for 2020 Durango. Y'all make sure to go check them out. I'm gonna leave the link in the description for y'all, and y'all can also check out their company, which is Oedro. They also have many other parts for all kinds of vehicles: cars, trucks, pickups, I mean SUVs, as y'all can see. Make sure y'all go check them out. I'm gonna leave the link in the description for y'all. Try to get y'all a discount code, and appreciate y'all watching.